Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica came here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, anyway, Vybz Kartel, yeah, man, the teacher, yeah, man, Adija Palmer, Adija Yim, yeah, man, Mr. Palmer himself, with Hype Life. Yes, official music video, that one I just dropped. Big up, me look at brother, send this to me. Let's go. Now waste some time, let's get it.
Yeah. And a World Boss program. Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper. Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Yeah.
World
Boss program. Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper. Money off it pop up.
Man say me escape from prison like Chopper, El Chopper. I'm going to do the research on Chopper for know what Chopper is. Me escape, chopped up, your production, because I'm a class 17.
Yeah. And a World Boss program. Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper.
Yeah.
Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up.
Man say big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Yo, him just a name out one of him care them of the many that he has. Look on the girl, man, Bombo Club.
Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pack up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So
man say a guappy jeans and no Paco. Who remember Paco? Man say a guappy jeans and no Paco. The pussy them woulda still want see me lock up, but that now go on. No blood clot. Me get 35 and me get them back that quick. Teacher.
Yeah. And a World Boss program.
Hey, tell them the World
Chopped
Boss,
up,
right?
me escape from prison like chopper.
Yeah.
Money off it pop up.
Yeah.
Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the fees, I not run yet.
Kartel, I give you the journey. From him forward out of prison, him a give you the journey. Hype Life, man.
Yeah.
Man said go
World Boss
for
program.
embassy, go do it.
Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper.
Yeah.
Money off it pop up.
Yeah.
Big G-Wagon, all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the fees, I not run yet.
Man said me go Chavas. Oh, big up Chavas. I seen your Red Boss do a skit. So him a tell us say yo, him go up embassy the Monday. Him tell them say him sell him gun them, so all the visa not run yet. You know?
Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell them out the fees, I not run yet.
Me like how them mute out the word gun. Kartel not dealing nothing with gun right now. You learning lesson, you not dealing nothing, but you man say, yo, fuck it. Me sell all of my gun them, you know. All of my shoes them sell. How the visa not run yet?
Go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell them out the fees, I not run yet. Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway.
Bobo Clad. The man said the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. The whole industry nervous. Them did nervous.
Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them.
Bumbo Clad. Man say when me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but you're wrong. A little Vybz and little Addy. I'm a son them, man. Yeah, Addy Jaim them.
When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget.
Bobo Clad. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Bobo Clad.
When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, I like bridge. 18 watch cause of my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage.
Bobo Clad.
Yeah. World Boss program. Chopped up, The escape from pussy like chopper. Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pack up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go pa embassy the Monday, tell them say me sell me them out the fees I no run yet. Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. When me live you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this.
18 watch cause I my time this. Me get 35, I must give them back that quick.
Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge.
Man say ref them gal, high mileage. Yeah man.
Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this. Ref them gal. Them a pray for me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means said the whole of we a pray for me life.
Bubble clot.
I pray for me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means said the whole of we a pray for me life.
Yeah man, the man say all of the bad prayers them wanna pray. Thanks. Them a pray for me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means that the whole of I pray for my life. When I pray for me
life. I pray for me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means that the whole of we a pray for me life. See them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Bite it right dick.
See them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Oh yeah, man.
Them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Bite it right dick. You like it? Type shit. End it.
Bite it. Ride it. You like it? Type shit. You not him have no wife I do. Yeah? Can't say that talk to uno. Yeah. Uno.
Thing me see it and me want it, me buy it. Why it bun them? That I'm at the pussy them. Me a go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. Type.
Yo! Hi! The man say anything more, I'ma buy that bumbo clot and that about the pussy them. Guess what? Guess what next? Me I go buy a jet, cut the wings, and drive it. Pussy clot.
I it bun them, that I'm at the pussy them. Me I go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. Type life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this. Ref them gal. The escape from pussy like chopper. Money off it pop up. Big G-Wagon all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pack up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go pa embassy the Monday, tell them say me sell me them out the fees I no run yet.
Huh?
Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. When me live you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause I my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage.
No, I never big up on myself. Yo, drop top. Yeah, man. You have a bad songwriter so from Kartel. Yes. Kartel give a bomber cloud song to youth. Kartel give a bomber cloud song to youth. Yo. The man make a statement, bro. Like, the man make a statement in this, bro. Man say, yo, him a live off a $50 million budget, brother. Like, the fuck? The fuck? Yo. The man say, me I go buy a mic cap a jet and cut the wings them and drive it. Yeah, man, surprise the pussy them. Yeah, man, surprise them blood clot teacher. Show them. Yeah, man, go up embassy, go tell them, say, yo, listen, me said all I'm gun them. I'm turning, free me up. Free me up. Don't know about sin. Don't know about the fuck. But more know where you think what I want to stay. I fuck with it. Yeah, I fuck with it. It's bad. Yo! Let me know what you think about that in the comment section here, man. I'll catch you guys on there. Teacher, pick up yourself. Drop top, pick up yourself. No, never. Up top. I'm out.